112% profit in 17 days. Trade number 16.
I am on the Binance exchange and this is the candlestick chart of Truth cryptocurrency. I am on the 15-minute candlestick chart and now let me go to 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the price is continuously in downtrend. If I draw a trend line by connecting these 2 points, this trend line is acting as a resistance at these 4 points. Now if I come back to 1-hour time frame, the price has broke out this trend line, which signifies that in the near future price of this cryptocurrency is going to rise. Now I am going to determine at what price level this cryptocurrency can reach. For that I am going to use the technical analysis of Fibonacci Retracement. The price has dropped drastically from this point, so I am going to consider it as my highest point and this is going to be my lowest point. I am marking the Fibonacci levels from the highest to the lowest point. These are the significant Fibonacci levels: 0.236 Fibonacci level, 0.382 Fibonacci level and 0.5 Fibonacci level. And over here, as we can observe that the price has crossed this 0.236 Fibonacci level and it is definitely going to reach the above Fibonacci level of 0.382. Now I am considering this price structure as well. I am going to mark the Fibonacci level from the highest point again and to the lowest point. Again I am going to choose the third price structure as well, marking Fibonacci from this point, the highest one, to the lowest point again. But as this Fibonacci level of 0.236 is quite far from the current level of cryptocurrency, so I am going to ignore this, so I am going to delete. Now these are the two Fibonacci structures or the Fibonacci analysis that is on my screen currently. As we can see that there are two Fibonacci levels that are overlapping. This can be a significant resistance zone at which the price will reach and will fall drastically. This will be my resistance zone. Let me mark this with light red. Now finally I am going to enter the trade at this Fibonacci level of 0.236 and I am going to sell my 75% of cryptocurrency just below this 0.382 Fibonacci level. I am going to maintain my risk to reward ratio as 2. I am choosing the leverage of 5x and the available balance, as you can see, is 5 USDT. So I have put the price at which I am going to enter the trade. So buy/long. So as you can see that I have placed the order. So finally I have entered the trade. I will sell the remaining 25% of cryptocurrency just below this resistance zone. I have marked it with red color. Now I have to place the 2 take profit and 1 stop loss. For that I am scrolling. See, take profit. I have put the first take profit trigger price where I am going to sell my 75% of the cryptocurrency. The take profit trigger price for selling the remaining 25% of the cryptocurrency. And now the stop loss as well in case if my analysis fails. So here you can see that these are the 2 take profit trigger price. Over here I will sell my 75% of the proportion and the remaining 25% of the proportion at this trigger price. And in case if my analysis fails and the price starts falling, this will be my stop loss. Finally, after 17 days, the price touched the 2 take profit levels. Now let me scroll down to position history. 5.64 USDT profit, 112% profit in 17 days.
So if you found out this technical analysis of cryptocurrency valuable, hit the like and subscribe button below.